qx352, my version. I got a gimbal on there from China. It's got its own gyro. It's 2-axis gyro, 2 motors. Mounts there with 2 screws. Pretty easy to install. Then I got my transmitter here. It's a 500 milliohms. So I wired it together, the gimbal and the transmitter, with one plug, the balancing plug, and then I modified inside battery compartment to fit a bigger battery. Put a 5000 in here. It weighs about 150 grams more, but with all this weight, including the battery, so I made the plug on the outside. It flies for about 14 minutes. And it weighs 1.1 kilograms. That's just over 2 pounds.